Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from class Kanto semester 5 and our topic is hydraulic system in cement mixer truck. My name is Muhammad Irfan Ameer bin Muhammad Isham. I am the person on the left.
And my name is Muhammad Asif Syahid bin Muhammad Ghazali. I am the person on the right side, and the mid person is the site supervisor that we meet. The supervisor explained to us where the hydraulic system is located at the cement mixer truck and told us where the hydraulic motor is connected. This is the hydraulic system in cement mixer truck. This is the hydraulic tank which supplies the hydraulic oil for hydraulic system. This is the water tank for the truck to put water into the cement. Over here, as you can see, the hydraulic motor that connect to the mixer have pipes connecting to the hydraulic tank and the pump.
As you can see from this video, the site supervisor explained to us how the cement mixer truck works, and he also told us about the specifications of the cement mixer truck. The process of cement mixer truck is very simple. When the truck is mixing cement, the hydraulic motor moves counterclockwise. When the truck is dispersing cement, the hydraulic motor will move clockwise. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much.